We're getting some freaking hail. Gosh.
C. Lake Louisville, Little Elm.
We're getting some hail right now. And hail's falling on the roofs. Obviously, there's going to be a report for that. You're another one. Yeah! Another severe thunderstorm warning for my county.
And Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northern Hunt County in north central Texas, Collin County in north central Texas, southeastern Grayson County in north central Texas,
Here we
Fadden
go.
County in north central Texas until 6:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:40 a.m. Central Standard
still got
Time,
the
a severe
alert.
thunderstorm was located over Allen, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Plano, McKinney, Frisco, Richardson, Allen, Wiley, Sanch C, Bonham, Murphy, Pinna, Fairview, Princeton, Lucas, Parker, Farmersville, Leonard, Lowry Crossing, Whitewright, Wool City, and Celeste. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Now let's check on your local forecast for the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Severe thunderstorm watch 11 is in effect until 11 a.m. this morning. Today, sunny. Showers and thunderstorms likely.
Here we go, baby. I never expected this one. Even though when there's no power, and I heard hail falling down on my roof, I still even got the warning. That is awesome. Gosh. I was thinking, like, when is the severe weather gonna be ending? What you doing in the bathroom? You scared because of severe thunderstorm and you just heard hail? Is that the problem? I see. Like every single weather radio shows severe thunderstorm warning. Effective until the next hour. I think this is probably like the fourth, third, or fifth severe thunderstorm yet so far. Alright. I'll keep listening to my alert alerts.
Standard time for north central Texas. The following is a preliminary storm report for Denton County.